National Secretary ka BJP ubakmi ya ka Jalla Meghalaya Rituraj Sinha uloong kiwei ki sang kilapan mi ya ka manifesto hendrai ka jong ka BJP ka dei ka badon ka jingyo I jingai bat ka badon ru ya ka rai namar ya ka manifesto anpen urlong ya baro.
It's materially different and I'll tell you why. The big difference is there are parties roaming around the state campaigning today which were not there in the 2018 Meghalaya election. They are making big promises, big ads. I want to ask Meghalayans a question. Will these parties be there in your 2028 election? Nobody knows for sure. They are here for election tourism. And I will be very blunt. TMC, the only thing TMC stands for, T stands for Tolabazi. M stands for mass Bangladeshi infiltration. And C stands for cut money and corruption. That is TMC's full form. You should visit Bengal to see what they do. As far as Congress is concerned, they have released a manifesto. Everybody knows in Meghalaya, people here are very well educated, that every vote to Congress is a vote wasted because Congress is not going to be a part of the government. Who wants an MLA who will be sitting in the opposition bench for 5 years and not able to do anything for the people of the constituency? So manifesto of other parties may be frivolous. Our manifesto is a vision document. It's a Sankalp Patra. Sankalp Patra means resolution. It is a resolve under Prime Minister Modi. We urge the people of Meghalaya to empower Meghalaya. Empower Meghalaya is Modi Power Meghalaya. Modi Power Meghalaya, give us one chance and you will see the difference.
Hakani ka manifesto wat la ka BJP kalapan sngau ya ka jing ang not ban pentrai kam hendrai kamat ka bayadai bat ka ILP bat ka jing penrung ya ka ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ka krenet ka bapra jong ka renti senjar ka Khlem dan satya. Haba jubab ya kani Rituraj uloong ha ka bayadai bat ka ILP kumba long hi kadang don kam ban ya tai bha kentop ru ha ka bayadai bat ka ktien Khasi bat Garo.
ILP is an issue that has to be addressed with all stakeholders. We believe that there is genuine reason that people are arguing for ILP in this state. But we also believe that the development of Meghalaya has to be led by tourism. And for tourism, a lot of people have argued that ILP is restrictive, which could result in significant opportunity loss to the tourism sector. This matter needs to be deliberated. We will definitely discuss with all stakeholders, and post-elections, hopefully we will be in a position in the Legislative Assembly to have enough count to do a thorough debate and then take a final formal view on the ILP matter. The point is very simple, like I said, that this matter needs due deliberation. We want to take policy action which is good for the welfare of Meghalayans. ILP is an issue that has good rationale for and against. It needs to be deliberated and we will do so post-elections.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Kajingkular ka TMC na kabenta ka Meghalaya. Kajing pintik na ya kalaway bapranay. An ai jing rap khat arajar tingka shisnam shaman na ki long yeng jong ki khinna ki bapulia ki school sarkar. Namar kata ka TMC kan ai shilak teli ki laptop shabaro ki higher secondary bar ki khinna puli college ban kirshan ya ka puli puthi ka baminta.
Hakane ka ap nyau terek urumpang Shan ya ka sharp jong pi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.